ine nuganeti konyora gisemi chingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocation College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January eyogenderete nigo bakuru achikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Somebody tango kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase a college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located as a Nyaliwari Masaba constituency, a ward ya Gesusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu abanafunzi tobwate chinjira mbalimbali tokubakonya ekwarama itenga abayiboli baito gotwara barobwawa ase ngenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijuleria kusips ejie kuba funding kurwa se serikali pamoja na funding ya kurwa se High Education Loans Board elinde banyaragora bagokora gikosi cyabo asogorora na kutabukia kwirari bageri asengencho yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora skill ekira bakonye isikalia nwali intake intogenderete karibu
intake ya January nigo egenderete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocation College, scaling heights of technology.
Ya umwanchumu ligiriria andonsi asoto bwatrite emaragoba ya bene ejumatano ya 11 aso mutinyi okabere omwaka oyoiga andonsi asoto bwatrite no kugena kwa ninganigo ejumatano yago yabeire endonge kigima hekeroboro choragire chinsa ibere gukwarigania asenchira ya bene ase keunga chinsa ibere elitogendere gusanga mange ayagendete kwenekigwa korwa chinsemo au egati yabo umurikyo manene wikemagia ODM Edwin Sifuna na boigoro museneta we county ya Nairobi nigo bono abereka goteraniwa emeremo koba umuriki wikemagia ODM ayu amona yanda mange negati yalito kwaleganirie hase keunga chinsa ibere Wilson Makori kurugaria sensemo yebimanyererio akoene kingo ya nyorore hase nchira yo wikirano nchani gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto tobasa gosukare isaransuike elio tokomanye ayagendete gokorekana. Mwanchumu ligiriria ekiunga chinsa ibere nigo togochaka na roboti rugo ichania aso musao yomo oboda boda abakagusiria obugima bwaye amono yonde gutigerwa chingo machintindi maiga yokubwatiraniwa aso mubasuka no mubebwe para uyokolekana ase chinsa mocha Riverside imeye pale nene ya Kisumu goikabono nigo egari ekageire goikirania egekore keiga itaramanyikana ase bono abarundia baboriwe koba maiso anenekero bali ase chipara elikolenda amagima orobotyurwo nigo rwariganirwa no mureketo Dipon Asanya.
Samari yatangolo ku Geoffrey etato umoge MMCA Zero Board na nkuruka nanyora epiki yanyo accident monto ya mukule yonde mu muromo abo atekiro kugoro nekira manyinga enko abandu amindokera muri para uikamurigererie para ne abandu bechipigipigi bachairu n'abandu bechigachine bagotuomwa fyofyo abandu bechigari tema sana kuligererie se yabandu bechipigipigi mwandi ngora sibale abantu bechidipa nechi pass tafadhali so wanja kwenu respect ni mzuri sana
Rinet mora kuruga Riverside iko tuarara omumuro yomo igatu omwane pikipiki okule tamanyekaneti oiruru enkendo gose musonje bosongo abantu raba baito tobe maisa kero mogotara para mobwati na machiko ali yare kurukorwe ruti ya musocho ekwerekea gochoyugisi bono ntoramanya gose yabwa tu ntoramanya seraro bwaro ntoramanya gose ya mutuma kurumaega na umubere ntutoikera para
Mwanchumu ligiriria oruno roboti rwabaru kwariganirwa no mureketo Dipon Asanya omabunge West Mugirango umusikia Steven Mogaka nigo litkulia lero abakawikirana aso moyiga buguchingira machibwa maya ase skuru ya secondary ya Gesiaga anene ya matemu a KCSE umwaka oeta abwasebiriga kwene kibuna eskuru yu ase sabali yo mwaka oyiga nigo aborokiwa chiminya na 32 babere bagokonyeka naboigo ase sabali yu nigo isaine shilingi chimi million eyemo ase bono abereka gucha kuria eira usabirega kuria eira yogo chikwenekia kugusuelia abaiboli egurube wetera ase school fees anene ase chinsemecho umurike tofatgad Gesemba na ikirana sayo nabono nigo atwariganirie orobotyuru
Maiga yogokoria pia asamatema manene a KCSE umwaka oeta eskuru ya secondary ya Gesiaga egotoka imeye wodi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirango nigorero batwaro moyiga bogochingira amachibu amaya ayo banyorete omoyiga boigo oikiranwa no mubunge Steven Mogaka oyo oirachinga kecho na kubabwatokera chipasari cha masomo cyumwaka oyo na wasio ribene puna aborokiwa wetania chimia inye beskuru ejo nigo baguchakokonyeka ni pasari ejo.
And I want to thank you, my chief principal, because you are among those teachers who believed in me and took up my children, many of them without the fees. That is why today I have brought fees for 432 students of this great school called Gesiaga, soon becoming national. Hawa ni watoto wamenufaika na msaada wa West Mugirango constituency bursary. The schedule or the names of my 432 students. Hawa mimi unaomba waambie basa awapoe receipt. Kila mtoto akuwe na receipt ya kuonyesha pesa yake imelipwa.
Omo MCA okemera oyo na indoro mokonyi bwo monogeri webunge ya Nyamira omuske James Matinga nigo ensemo yaye aira chinga kiecho na kuburia abarimu tibako babango asoko batuma abana chinga chabo wetera asoko borwa we school fees korende bariye chinchira chingao chogo sonsora omuchando oyo.
Fuateni mzazi lakini mwanafunzi akae kwa shule. Tabia ya wanafunzi kutapakaa kwa barabara eti wanaenda kutafuta karo, hilo ni jambo ambalo tunataka kulikemea kuanzia wakati huu. Na matukaya lero ense ya sare kiraba ibuli na eta wanjo omwana wanye gwetaiga abana mbarenga tuigwete abaiseke basirire njira omwana agotara kurwa atebunga tigagwe lift ne pigipigi ogenda oborera nikosebo
aiga boigo nigo aba MCA abuo baira chinga kecho na kubasegeta aboroki wabonsi kogenderera kubeka omokia ase amasoma abo erio kera oyomo aikiranie endoto yaye.
Niko na furaha kadri kwamba katika chimbo letu la Busamaro Gesiaga Secondary School ikiwa one of the 14 secondary schools we have in this ward did very well in the last examination. May God.
A mixed school, when you see them very serious like this, discipline the people rocha banyaroka baikaransereta ari baroche ngabamba muraba mwabo kona ugonjo kana care is really nothing of that sort. And because of that discipline I've seen here, that is what is making you do better. Omosikika kande national school ante ndiko chabusa omojumbe nabagosaba again tegena ramuri gete biyanga 8.5 plus ikikianda totimbokyo momoro yo midomi gosyo gamba abeko koboka turugwe national school liyo.
Nonye nabo nigo muske Steven Mogaka asingirira buna ere kiabegete bosyo no kwene kiabuna kera omworoki wa nkonyorare obosibore bwaye ase SME.
The MP is here, who is very passionate. Our member of Parliament, Honorable Steve Mogaka, is one of the few members of the National Assembly who are very passionate on matters education.
I have a case, and this one I'm following it up. There is an idiot, and I will use the word idiot, who has slapped a candidate during examination time. Omondo wako mwana wo montoro ekerao koramate. Yeah, and I'm saying this one we are not laughing at each other. Every child in this republic needs protection.
Ingo reporter Gatembe kuraiga se county ya Nyamira Njefatigad Yesemba.
Biamono yabenu murikito Fatgad Gisemba asengencho yoroboti oruo tugotigana nayo nagosuka bosyo una enchire yemayogo kinia ebiagu meye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba meye county ya Nyamira egekundi kyabangina ky'omupira bw'amaguru gya isaba ekike gutoka manga nigo litukulia lero kyabage konyora ogosirwa kurwase omwana siasa Clive Ogura oyo obakagoteba buna nigo amazoezi yayo gose omupira oyo onene asabangina urabe gokuba konyamano anene asafya yago na igo okugania nkorororo elikwene kibuna abangina bo nkonyora barelibaga lyo gukora amazoezi yayo gusugulyo gukora chigo soliecho muri kitu Daniel Ontiri na ikira nasayo na gutwareganiria orobotyuru
Jumaine yaye nigo yachaka na kumira egekundi kiga kyabangina abaki umupira egiata kurwa sensemo yesaba ikigotoka manga asibunge ya Kitutu Masaba aba mwarigania no mogoko no buya bwogokonyeka n'imipira irache kubakonya asokuburugira ebyegu byabo n'ichinga kicho barokia omogoko bo
aigo twachira segetunweke no tukonyora tukwegera igoro yo mupira oyo etwachite munabangina elinde asengenja abangine mebere yabeire mebe okonyora kero mungina gotega timbu atia magoro timbu atio ngwati bugochiana gochia ekagera kerengerere gieko mukungo yesa agate abangina tiga tochamo toso gokore gosorie yo mupira elinde nalie mebere anyare ko bagekuguswa
koruto chaka gochaga igetoroche ng'arero mong'ina taiyo goteba ng'ana igwete bobo oyochire ase egesaisi ekeiga
bono gotwa motetinga emipira ya tokeire noyo moto kuna guchandika rero igo toreteire pam otoreteire emipira 4 bona abang'ina ng'aki mogoteba emipira ya chirene epambu nero kire bunaisa ino staisaini
asense mwende ugora nigo akwanira sababu enene yigetambo kireke nechinga kecho okwanira magendero ase kitutu masaba
inchekere na igenete ng'abang'ina bemiakeye mbare nkwaka baro mupira lakini kana achira na nyore ng'abo bwate timu ya bengi sana bagwako mupira egere banyago ke pressure diabetes na core exercise na gokiru sana inchebuno ugora na achira na seedlings cha passion fruits na achire koba egere bande basimeke chinya koba konya unekemeri alika
asensemo ya siasa ugora nigo agikeri gati ya barai abwateba bareire asemirimo oteba chingaki cheikire bono report card ya barai era chikurigirigwa
nenchenko basabanga ikifika 2027 mwangari bagari abene nenchemba korere gasi buno mujumbo ino amangana na mange mbangete nenche nabona atakuba konya mono lakini for now onko basabanga mumbo atese monsire munyago nsabera siasa ni bwata mangana mange yongo basabanga munyago nsabera taribo mombe ka sama sabo egere ngendere kunyago sugume gasi uchimotuga iga siasa to chokara uchimotu ati bwati matusi andons kero monta gocha abakwanere abatebya gocha kubakorera uri oregeti atebintakorire abatugocha bono tobate tochagake tochukubakorera scorecard ya etoke
ase kirengekyo magayo muske ugora nigasigeta aborokigwa ase skuru ya St Paul's Manga igoro ya masomo wigo bwatoka obokonyi w'emipira ase gikundi cy'umupira bw'amaguru ase aborokigwa be skuru iyo nkuru batereka taseni kya gatembe korega ase county ya Nyamira litrene nguruko Daniel Untiri
Naboigo omwanchumu ligiriria asoroboti ronde rwabo kwareganiwa n'umurikyo yoyo Daniel Onthiri omo director o Kenya Dairy Board omusubati Josephine Omanwa nigo litukulia lero abagakubwa tokobokonyi ase parish ya St Athanasius Kiendege ime ye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba ase gati yabo yobokonyi obwaba gakubwatoka nebitabu obokonyi burachi gokonya aborokiwa naboigo amabere ayora chikubakonya anenekero bale ase amasomabo inse yekerisiekyo okuna chinga kechecho Omanwa nigo abakago kakogokera igetambukiro gya serikali kyogosira amasomo hase chiskuru ao elio bachagwe konya hasa matuko alibosyo murikyo yoyo Daniel noroboturu asowime
asira haliete yokogendera gosire kirisikiga omwelio bumwako eta mapema lero Josephine Omanwa nigasira masomo hasi skuriga inse ye parish ya Kiendege n'ibitabu n'amabere n'ichinga kicho okwanere kirenga kya yekenene
na ijaga iga nga ndeta mabera sabana lakini naranga bangina baminto nabaruko balenge iga asengencho yokurandigwa lituko lya lero babwata mangana bangina nabaruto abaletera mabere aitu abaire banyako abanywe nalibara iwo biya wa mabere batuge chomba so bonge roche obale migwaito bwairanire asamangana maripo
ukwana chinga kecho niko bwego hagokera umuroberio we serikali wokwena na mabere asaborkiwa na muno abe myake meke umuroberio chagetigwe kurase nyumba y'Uburai ya State House
tumepeana maziwa kwa watoto 400 tumepeana maziwa kwa wamama na wamefurahi sana wakasema hii programu ya maziwa iendelee kama county government itakubali ianzishe programu ya maziwa kila shule ili watoto wetu wao wakipata maziwa wakunywe maziwa ni yavi kwa mwili ya watoto wetu
asense mwende abegenwa bekelisikiga nabamenyi niko borokia omogokobo nakulira yoko mubwatesia gocha samatukale bosyo
omongineta yoko kuchosibini murao mano omokungu to itabire omokungu oyo gatororekanire tukulia lerotoire bitabu asabana bete skuru ito ya chaka emission school naenda orre biti bisaini naenda otomentira mabere omongina kero omongina mabere oyo tare yatonyale twanyole mabere twasibire omokungu oyo bunare yetayeye gotorose ngane erochire uragwenie kenyoro gya Kiendege etaye itekore erabe
atotebiria toye chinkoko maige gitine kigare abanyina mayure
magega ya Jumosko manwa nikagendereria umorobario angabonoiga ase skuru yoboroso yegena itambe yegotoka ase ward ya Bosamaro imeye bonge ya West Mugirango imeye county ya Nyamira norwa mabere asa borokigwa elio koba omoyo boigo kobasegeta asa masomo Ngurubo terigeta seni kiagatembe kurega ase county ya Nyamira letrene nguru kwa Daniel Ontiri
Bia mono sana umurikitu Daniel Ontiri asengencho yogo twariganiria orobotiuru manchu murigereria orobotiuru Daniel Ontiri na rogotoira asomotumoko asensementangani yeke unga chinsa ibere kurenda sege kagetari getambe ntoirane elingendere gukomanya mange buna naika gukomanya ase umurikyo monene w'ikyamagia ODM umuske Edwin Sifuna abereka gutigirwa emeremo buna umuriki w'ikyamekyo ayu negatia yali na kwareganiri asensemo yakabere yeke unga chinsa ibere tobasa guskale nkowira natole
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja ETV ya uwanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimero au ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri mienzi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya, Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas ama no chingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemero yetu au inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeunga kia Mwamogusie.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security, pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za Plumbing na Building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department, tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department, tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies, tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabu.tti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development. Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate events chiroadshow chinyange amatanga anniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase Koroba ya Ouru Towers, Somochobosungu, Angena AM Taylor, Samangeba Kresimiosi number 0721-217817. Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Ine nuganeti konyora jisemi chingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocation College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January ya yuegenderete nigo bakuru wa chikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Somebody tango kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase a college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located as a Nyaliwadi Masaba constituency, a ward ya Gesusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu, abanafunzi tobwate chinjira mbalimbali tokubakonya ekwarama itenga abayiboli baito gotwara baro bwaba asengenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijoleria kusips eje kuba funding kuruase serikali pamoja na funding kuruase High Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukya kwirari bageri asengenjo yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskiri ekira abakonye isikalia nwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase e website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocation College, scaling heights of technology.
Mwanchumo ligereria karibu nande asensemo ya Kabere ye kiunga chinsa ibire ekeratogo chaka kurwase county ya Nyamira ya serikali ye county yeyo ni gobono irachi kugendera kubeko mukia asogokina ibirengo bya magacho asibirasi bya bana ba ECDE asichiwodi chonsi emerongebere meye county ya Nyamira anika kwano litukolero mu chief officer we wizara ya chisemi musubati zipora orina ekero kyo muyiga bwo kwigura ibirasi bya ECDE asesko skuru yoboroso ya Kiabira iyo gutoka meye wodi yabo mwagamo ebunge ya North Mugirango meye county yuyu ya Nyamira umuyigo yu ni goboigo obakugwikiranwa no MCA bwe wodi yu Muske Julius Nyankana na boigo umuwaziri bwechisemi meye county ya Nyamira Musbat Emil Ongaga abu ase baba bako ene kibuna ni gobara chikogenderera ase chinchira chonsi wokini ya chisemi meye county yu ya Nyamira umurikito Fatgad Gisemba na roboti ru asobwekirano
Buna enchira eyemo yokwenekia aborokiwa ba ECD peskuru yoboroso ya Kiabira ELCK ingosomera bare ebirasi ebiya nigo ritkoria rero bare nomogoko maiga yokoigorerwa ebirasi bibire ebyo byagachirwe na serikali ye county ya Nyamira
iga Kiabira etwachire koigore class ebirasi ebire bibere PP1 na PP2 igo churu mwechi na bachire ibere nebiro wombiro nechimesa nabe wonto bwate etangi ya 5000 liters nechi cho echo ebwate milangu etatu abana bamura babwate oyobo abaisikemba bwate oyobo nabo igo abarimu babo ne class yeke ya mwisikoligereria nkibwate mesa ne kerogo aso mwarimu awe karansa nechi drone chirororo ase abana bakobeka ebitabu byabo sibakubacha ebintu byabo nonyene n'endagere yabekero bakunywa
nonye nabo nigo omworokio monene bwe skuru eyeiga eyegotoka imeye wodi ya Bumwagamo ebunge ya North Mugirango akwanira emechando eyo aborokiwa ba ECD babeire bawetera abwo maiga
mwatwete klasi kya ECT ekitutabwata amatuka abeire amange guchimaiga ntuabwate otatiki arengororo nkiabwata abakongu bwaye ekagera mukarente ikikia maega mwacha koronchi rero bono kurwa gwetera maega ekero nachite maega gaiga rona nyoreta abana baitu ba ECT obarenge ebirasi bitatu barengo sange kirasi ekemo rona chang nkanyorera abakongu mboro nkabage kirasi ekemo gekaba bitatu egera abana baisaransebo once ntobwate ata challenges echichira ase skuru yeito chigerete omwana tobwata abana barabake gwetera abakongwa bwata ase kinyo ekenyoro ekemo abana baito obakogenda rocha sata atambe
kubwatikana naya nigo MCA we wodi eyo Muske Julius Nyankana aira chinga kiechi na kubaenekeria buna ere ekerenga kyaye kenene no kubarwanirira banyore amagenderero ayo bamochorerete
twandi roba ekerasi eke wocha simule buna county government twabande roba namba ya kabere abantu baminto bakiabira inu abanyere mwenkaransitie mugantebye nga ntangana korente kerasi ga the second point mugantebya ndeta manje na korire kerasi yambwatieki amanje ebi amangana ale Nyamira gali ebyo mana abali bakunya kuuma tikabomane nje ne birasi bya nangana tukogora ande ye chipara na ale mechi kilomita 39 chitaraja ngorande barobwa abantu bale Nyamira tikabandire ebyo mana tikabirasi bya obyendere go tiringika
ensemo yende nigo abaibori babana abwo barurekana kogokera omoroberio bwe county ya Nyamira yokubabwatokera eronkori
elinde lya kabere mbyamona senge cyabana bayitongo nyoro balero rero banywa abarabumbiyamona eyakwera chinga chinyinge ntobwati no nerongori chinga chinyinge ncharagero byamona senge cyarigere lya karangero ngori na babana bakonyora bayikeranga bona ke banyorero ngori eria na bakonyora bale chinguru none kero bago travel go chinga banyamba bwate chinguru bago ikeranga erongori era gwera na bana baito bachakiro kometsura kaki debiga bano minto tigagenda comment omasomo yo erongori atomente nechengo eto mungina nasiba
inkolpotera getembe koraiga skuru yoboroso ya Kiabira ELCK eyegotoka ime ya wodi ya Bumwagamo ebunge ya North Mugirango county ya Nyamira Fatgad Gisemba
Biamono omurikito Fatgad Gisemba asengencho yoroboti urutugo tigana na yuna wika ase county ya Mombasa Omoseneta we county ya Nairobi Musike Edwin Sifuna nigo bono akirwe isiko ya bisi buna umurikyo munene bw'ikiama gya ODM. Aya nigo akorekana ritukuria rero ase abanachama bo b'ikiama gya ODM baba bagokora okonachukwo na goteba nigo Sifuna abeire atabwati atari kubwatia amachiko ase kiamikyo ase bono bamuganiri abere isiko ya bisi ye kiamikyo.
The NEC further called upon all relevant stakeholders and parties to urgently address the impediments that have slowed progress and to demonstrate goodwill in ensuring the full and faithful implementation of agreed reforms. With this regard, the NEC mandated the Leader of Minority, Honorable Junet Mohammed, to institute mechanisms to ensure the proposed allocation of 450 billion Kenya shillings to counties is made mandatory in the supplementary budget. 3. Compensation for victims of human rights violations, autonomy and strategic direction of ODM. The NEC resolved to initiate the formal process of withdrawal from the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition in accordance with the applicable legal and constitutional provisions. 5. National Delegates Convention. The NEC resolved to convene a National Delegates Convention, NDC, in Nairobi on 27th March 2026. The NDC shall, among other agenda items, deliberate on the party's strategic direction, ratify key decisions of the party organs, and prepare ODM for the forthcoming general elections. 6. Party discipline and leadership. The NEC expressed grave concern over the rising levels of indiscipline within the party, particularly at the senior leadership level. The committee underscored that ODM is governed by its constitution, the rule of law, and collective decision-making through its duly constituted organs. Having deliberated on matters relating to the conduct of the Secretary General, Senator Edwin Sifuna, the NEC resolved to remove him from office with immediate effect in accordance with the party constitution and applicable laws. Effectively, the Deputy Secretary General, Honorable me, yours truly, Catherine Omanyo, will act in this position until a substantive holder of the position is elected. The NEC reaffirmed ODM's commitment to democratic governance, constitutionalism, social justice, and the pursuit for a broad-based, inclusive, and reform-oriented government that reflects the will and aspirations of the Kenya.
Nabaigu mwanchumu ligeriria umuraibu kiama gya ODM Daktari Oburu Oginga nigabereka gukwanira igoro ryobo mu kiama gya ODM na goteba nachikobe kumukia buno murai elikoene kibuna nkubwati bali chimbaratero cha yenyagusira Raila Amolo Odinga. Ukwana kurwase kaunti ya Mombasa nigatebire buna na chikubwatirana na baraibonzi elikoene kibuna obomo obwekiamekyo ngogendera bole koene kiwa boigo nigabereka goteba buna nigo ekiama gya ODM kirachi gutigara ase serikali me buna nyagusira Raila abete gakugetiga buna enchire yemo yokubwatisia serikali aso gwikirania amagenderero.
I will try my best. I will work with all of you, and we shall try our best to move on and promote our party from strength to strength. Our party must keep on growing from strength to strength, and we are not going to go back. I also want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for having done this immediately after the loss of our great party leader, Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. That was my brother, that was my friend, that was my comrade, that was my confidant, and I still don't even feel that he is not there. I feel so hurt, but all the same, we have to continue. Life must continue, and in his honor, I will do my best until I go to the grave. I would also like to mention that when our departed leader left us, he left us in somewhere. He did not leave us in the air. He left us on some ground. And this ground where he left us was called broad-based government. And in this broad-based government, we have our partners who are older. Those are our partners with whom he left us. And we are continuing to plow and work hard to fulfill the commitments and the arrangements which brought us together. And one of them is implementation of the 10-point agenda, which we must follow meticulously and make sure that they are implemented to the letter as agreed. This is one of the things we agreed, but as a party, we have also agreed in the previous Central Committee meetings and also in our National Delegates Conference. We agreed that as a party, we are not in a hurry to say 1 term, we are not in a hurry to say 2 term. We are strengthening our party to prepare ourselves for negotiations. First, we start with our current partners, and as we move on, if we don't agree, we move on to discuss with other formations which are there. Or if there is no agreement with any, we go it alone.
Umuwaziri bw'obochenu umusikia Eden Duale nigo abereka gukwanira igoro y'omukia gwe serikali egendete kubeka ase chinsemo au anene ase nsemo ya Garissa erikoene kibuna abananchi bensemeyo mbaliko gendera gutwara umuchando bw'umurakera gukwana kurwa ase county ya Garissa litukulia lero nigatebire buna nigo barachikubwatesia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza erigwikirania amagenderero ase chinsemo au
na hii program sio program ya siasa.
When we had drought in 2022 when you came to office and you instructed 7 to 8 billion to be used for the people of northern Kenya, 14 counties, in terms of food, water and animal feed. Huyo mtu alikuja siku moja tu peke yake northern Kenya. Alienda shule moja hapa Garissa inaitwa Yuga Primary. Na karudi kiwanja cha ndege. Jana anasimama atanasema 4.1 billion is a small money. The footprints of President Ruto's development in northern Kenya is visible as day and night the difference is. Sisi tutasimama na wewe hata kama hujajenga barabara, hata kama hujatupatia chochote, by bringing us our dignity, by making us to be equal like other Kenyans.
Mukonyi w'omuraibu ense ya Kenya Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigo boigo abereka gukwanira igoro y'omuroberio onyota asatebire buna torigo chikoge gusenigo ogendete ko bakonya abasai au kurwa chinsemo au gukwana kurwa se county ya Garissa chingagi cyo kubwatoka chibesa cyo muroberio anene asabasai nigabirira kubulia bali bonsi bagendete kubeka siasa aso muroberio yo agotigali mulioka na kurwa libaga gucha sabasai banyareko bakwegendereria na boigo umusike Kindiki obolirie abasaye bonsi kwelikia asobonge buna abakichikura wesokya na kubwata ebibande buna enchire yamoyo kweyaligania asobocholie bonene buli bosyo.
Na hii program sio program ya siasa. This is not a political program. Wakati umeenda kuapply kwa simu, haukuulizwa chama chako cha kisiasa, haukuulizwa kabila yako, haukuulizwa dini yako. Bora huwe kijana Mkenya kati ya ile miaka ambayo program ina target 18 to 29. You are a Kenyan citizen. It doesn't matter your political affiliation. It doesn't matter your religion. It doesn't matter your ethnicity. As long as a Kenyan, you are a beneficiary of the empowerment program under Nyota. Wakati Rais Ruto amechukua usukani, alituondolea ule utaratibu ulikuwa umewekwa na serikali za awali wa kubagua vijana wa kaskazini mwa Kenya na vijana Waislamu ambao walikuwa wanatafuta vitambulisho kwa njia ngumu sana na utaratibu mgumu sana wa vetting. Rais Ruto akaondoa vetting procedures. Sasa kijana wa Garissa anapata kitambulisho ama passport kama kijana mwingine wa taifa la Kenya, akitumia ule utaratibu unatumika kule kwingine. Rais Ruto, serikali yake ndiye imefungua hii ofisi ya passport ya Northern Kenya ambayo ilikuwa imefungwa hapo awali. Kwa hivyo wale watu ambao wanaongea mambo ya Northern Kenya, kwanza kabisa watembee Northern Kenya, tuwaone na waelewe Kenya vile iko. Wasiongee kwa press conference kwa Nairobi, wasiongee kwa retreat kwa hoteli, wakuje Garissa, Mandera, Wajia, watembee waelewe Kenya iko namna gani.
Muraibu wense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigatebire buna serikali yaye nigo yabeire igegwikirania emeroberio au imeyense ya Kenya anenegesa abeteka goswabisi buna omuraibu wense. Daktari Ruto obere gakoraga ebyara bonsi abo bagendrete koleta obwanchiriria anene asa magendero asa bolirie amagendero nyareko bakagwikiraniwa ase chinsemo chonsi nabo asa bakenya bonsi nonya nabo obere gakuburia bali bonsi bagendete kwamereria serikali korolibaga gochiase serikali enyareko bakegokorera abananchi amagenderero.
Wale watu wa ubaguzi na chuki na ukabila hawatapata nafasi katika mambo ya taifa letu la Kenya. There will be no place for them to hide. Na wao mimi nimewatangazia, nimewaambia mambo matatu ni ya muhimu. Ya kwanza, mkuwe na track record. Ya pili, mkuwe na plan ya sahihi. Na ya tatu, mkuwe na maono ya mahali Kenya inaenda. Yote tatu hawana. Ninyi mnanielewa? Yes. I want to tell my friends, every leader must be judged by their track record, by what they stand for, and by what they plan for the future. As we talk today, we have a clear track record. We sorted out our economy. Today, interest rates are down. Inflation is down. Exchange rate is down. Our economy is stable. We sorted out matters to do with food security. Fertilizer came down. Our productivity went up. We are producing more milk. We are producing more coffee. We are producing more sugar. We are producing more tea in the Republic of Kenya. We have dealt with matters to do with education. We have hired 100,000 teachers, corrected CBC, rolled out a new student funding model. Our university education, our TVET education is today more stable. That is our track record. We have corrected the challenges we had in our health. Today we have 29 million Kenyans registered in SHA, as opposed to 7 million in NHIF. We have corrected the development of our nation. We have ongoing all the roads projects that had stalled. Today we have 6,000.
Mwancho morigereria narayikorwa se kionga chensa ibere asobotuko bwa rero ngwakirembia mono ya bene asengenjo yokogendera gutubwatia ase chinsemo ao emitando ya Facebook, YouTube, TikTok amuna Getembe TV noto wikira omwali we kionga chensa ibere kurindekero charagire chensa inye nande ningirane iliyo nkomanya yande asenchira yobo ikirano gendera gutwara obuligeru burubya naboigo gendera kwegwakeria emeroberio ao kurugaiga Getembe TV tobwatirane Wilfred Matundura kurugalia sensemo yechi kamera naboigo oyuri kwenekia iliyo ginechi bicha byagwe ikere ni gakoro ku Mike Wills naboigo kurugalia sensemo yebimanyererio ni gakoro ku Wilson Makori na ncheni gongoro kwa Ruth Kemonto.
Umushya tabana ki ayatata babonda nayo ndigetiaye uchiche tongeri mache cyarasero ndonga data none nori mwana uri ndigete umuntu mwakori cyarasero ndonga nchiyo tongeri mache into kiyakire kyarakire kigetige togugikira ndonga ngare uchiche tongeri aya kemanyi nayo maetereza no menye ukamanya tongeri mache data bono rende nkiriya bwaye remereria kiredo daga bono remereria kabeno bore mugete kabeno into kiriyo taraikira ayetwara bore mugete bakachenga kisha uchiche uchiche tongeri mache chiara sero ndonga data remereria into byangora genda ngora uchiche tongeri mache
ine nuganeti konyora gisemi chingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocational College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January eyugenderete nigo bakurwa chikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Samarieta ngoro kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College ose deputy principal ase college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located as Neliwad Masaba constituency, ward ya Gesusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu, abanafunzi tubwate chinjira mbalimbali tukubakonya ekwarama itenga abayibuli baito gotwara baro bwaba asengenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ikira se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijoleria kusips ejie kuba funding kurwase serikali pamoja na funding kurwase Higher Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na gutabukia pekwirari bageri asengenjo yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskill ekira abakonye isikalia mwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Wikatokwa naye twaro